warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles east of Bayside to 18 nautical miles west of Oak Creek, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will remain